Today's lesson is about division. Division is requiring us to know our times tables. Every answer for the multiplication can be rewritten as a division question. So, if I know that 3 times 5 equals 15, then I must also know that 15 divided by 3 gives 5. Okay, so because we know our times tables, and you guys are pretty good at those, you are able to know the answers to division. Remember, it doesn't look at you, it looks at me. Okay? Now, that works for all our numbers that are nice and easy. Remember, we've got our times tables up to 12. We're going to look at today what happens if it's yuckier. What if it is a number like 384? Okay, 384 is not one of the answers we have in our times tables. So we're going to look at the algorithm of long division. Okay, so if I had 384 and I wanted to divide it by 4, I don't know my 4 times tables up to that big. Yes?
So, can I draw how you do it?
So I'm going to draw up the algorithm. Yep, so I'll draw it on the board. So I'm going to rearrange that into this algorithm. Does everyone recognise this division?
Yes.
Yes, we've looked at those before. So the number here that you're dividing goes inside. The number that you're dividing by goes outside. Okay? Now we're still going to use our division rules from our times tables. So we're going to start with 4. And it's quite different to the other ones because we always started from units, didn't we? Yeah. But division, we're starting from whatever the biggest one, so it's a bit backwards. But that's okay, we can cope with that. 4 into 3, does that work? It doesn't work. So what's my plan?
You put a 0 up the top and put the 3 on the 8.
So, well, we don't need to put the 0 because we don't normally say 0 something. So we're just going to leave it. It's going to be an invisible 0. Okay? And we're going to think of that as 38. Alright, now 4 into 38. Now 4 doesn't go exactly into 38. If you look at your answers of the times tables down to 4, can you see that we get to, there's a 32, there's a 36, and then there's a 40. So if we look down there, what's the biggest number I can get to before 38? Yep. 36. Does everyone see that on your times tables? 36 is the biggest I can get. What times 4 gave me 36?
9.
4 9s gave me 36. So I know that 4 will fit in there 9 times. There's a little bit left, but it fits in 9 times. However many times it fitted in, that goes at the top. That tells me that 4 went into 38 9 times. Now there was a bit left over. Our bit left over was how much? Someone else, got the same 2 people answering every time. 2 left over. Now remember, our leftovers, always we add them as little numbers at the top. Which number is the 2 going to go on?
The 4.
On the 4. So it's going to go here. So this number is now 24. Now looking down your 4 times tables, is 24 one of the answers?
Yes.
Yes, it is.
6 times 4.
It is 6 times 4.
Oh, yes.
Excellent. So I do 6 times 4 is 24, and I'm done. Yes? So the answer is 96. So I know that 384 divided by 4 would equal 96. Okay, is everyone happy with that?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to write one for you to do. Cameraman, could you please stop?